4 favorite gratitude exercises to boost your happiness. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss your favorite gratitude exercises that you can do to boost your happiness. While there are an infinite number of ways that you can show your gratitude, it can be challenging to get started if you don't know what to do. Here are some favorite gratitude exercises that can help you practice and enhance your gratitude for everything in your life. Journaling. The easiest and most popular ways to show your gratitude is through a gratitude journal. Journaling is nothing more than writing down a few things that you are grateful for. The purpose of this exercise is to look back on the past day or week and remember 3 to 5 things that you are thankful for in your life. This allows you to focus on all the good things that have happened to you in a given time frame. Gratitude jar. Utilizing a gratitude jar is a straightforward exercise that can provide effects on your outlook on life, as well as on your overall well-being. To create a gratitude jar, you need to decorate a plain jar or box. Then, every day, write down on a small piece of paper at least 3 things throughout your day that you are grateful for, and place them in the jar. When the container is full, or when you're feeling down, take a few notes out of the jar and read them to remind yourself of the good things in your life. Gratitude letter. A gratitude letter is probably the most potent gratitude exercise you can do. Think of someone in your life that you are particularly grateful to have in your life and write them a letter. Be as detailed as possible and express all the excellent qualities they possess and how they have affected your life for the better. Meditation. Gratitude meditations are 2 of the most impactful happiness practices at the same time. Unlike an ordinary meditation session, where you try to intentionally become aware of your breath and keep your mind clear, gratitude meditation requires you to visualize all the things in your life that you are grateful for. Take some time to really think about all the things that you are grateful for and notice how much better you feel afterward. The power of gratitude is quite extraordinary and can benefit your life significantly. Take the time to think about those things that you are grateful for in your life and start to notice an increase in your overall happiness.